Hey everybody, this is Daryl again. I was in Christchurch a few weeks ago for work and I noticed a few electric cars in the bottom of one of the car parking buildings, so I walked over to take a look. And what I found is that these are the pool cars that the staff of Christchurch Airport use. And Christchurch Airport has a commitment under a plan called EV100, which is to convert all of the work vehicles of the company to electrification by year 2030. But also in the project, this car park's just for these staff cars, but there are other car parks around the airport, such as the public car park, where you can charge your car while you're parked at the airport. Um, it's quite a big plan. It's an international plan to get infrastructure organisations to electrify the fleets of their businesses, and that builds a ground base of electric vehicles that promotes electrification through the whole country or around the world. Thanks for watching.